Bruce, do these warrants expose naked short selling? Or can you explain this a bit to us and how that fights naked shorting? Okay, the thing to understand is that all shareholders will get one warrant for every 10 shares they own. All shorters of stock of GameStop now, as of the 7th of October, or as of the 3rd of October, the record date, 3rd of October, which is what, three and a half weeks away, and then October the 7th, the actual payable date, they will be short one warrant for every 10 shares they're short. So if someone is short 1,000 shares, October 3rd, they will be short 100 warrants as well. So you've got a double short problem. You've got two shorts now. You're short the stock and you're short the warrant. Now, if you're short 10,000 shares, you're short 1,000 warrants. If you're short 100,000 shares, you're short 10,000 warrants. We know, at the very least, we know there are what is that number now? 67 million shares short on GameStop in total that we're aware of. That's 6.7 million warrants that are short. Someone's going to be short 6.7 million warrants unless the shorters between now and October the 3rd cover their shorts. If they're buying back their stock to get out of their short position, they won't be short the warrants. Now, it's possible that a number of the shorters out there who are big players are sitting there going, well, what's the big deal? I'm short 1 million shares of this crap because I hate this company and it's crap. I'm going to be short, 100,000 shares, 100,000 warrants. What are they going to trade at? The stock's at $24, $25. Whoop-de-freaking-do. They're thinking, hey, I'm going to win because GameStop is going to go out of business like I've been predicting since 2021. After all, they're a brick-and-mortar company. They're going to go out of business, and the warrants won't have any book value. So I'll buy them for a couple of pennies. Big deal. I'm making all my money on the drop of the stock. That's the mentality of a shorter. Stock goes down $1, I make $1 million on a 1 million share short position. What do I care if I got to pay 3 cents or 5 cents for some warrants? Cost of doing business, whoop-de-freaking-do. That will be their mentality. Unfortunately, I happen to think that as the days go by and we come up to the end of September, this is the 11th, into October 3rd, maybe the shares will be closer to $30 a share by the time the warrants are actually issued. And maybe the warrants will have a value of $1 each, $1.50. Maybe they start trading at $2 each. They have a year to live. They have a year of time to live. They'll trade on the New York Exchange. They'll reflect the movement of GameStop's shares. If the shares go up, the warrants will go up in price. What happens if the shares reach $32 in the second week of October, which is the strike price of the warrants, and they still have 11 months left in time? The warrants might be trading at $3 a pop. Maybe they're $4 each. That would mean that a shorter of 1 million shares is short 100,000 warrants at $3 or $4 each. That's an expensive little problem to be carrying. It's starting to get kind of expensive now. Just a thought. We'll see how it all kind of plays out. Obviously, if the shares want to go to $40 in, say, the end of the year, we get two more financial reports. We get the third quarter, and then we'll get the fourth quarter. What is it, January, the end of January? If by the end of February next year, it's evident that GameStop is earning profits on an annual basis of $2.50 to $3 a share, and they're going to trade at 20 to 30 times earnings, they're going to trade at $40 to $60 a share. And if they're trading at 45, the warrants are $13 each in the money. They're going to be trading at $15. And you're short 100,000 of these things. Oops, you're short a lot. That's a lot of cash. Not to mention the fact that the million shares you're short that you could have bought back here at 24.30, 24.50, you didn't. The stock's trading at 45. You just lost $20 million on your stock, plus the loss on the warrants. I mean, this is going to be a hit. So, hey, I would not want to be a shorter here. RB,